My name is Fernanda Fortes de Lena. I'm a demographer. I've been working at SED for 2 years now. I specialize in demography of sexualities, social stratification, and internal migration. I really love working in this field. I feel like I'm making a difference, especially because there's not that much data on sexual minorities. So I feel like the work that I do is also helping to show that we need more data and then we need better data on sexual minorities. I really love demography in general. I think demography has this unique quality of being in the intersection of many fields. And I remember when I started studying demography, that was definitely something that really was very appealing to me. I also like that demography has it is kind of a powerful tool that you can use to demystify a lot of common sense that we have about the world and about population. And this is definitely something that I really love doing and working with.